Hello students. In this class of business statistics, today we will discuss about tabulation. In our previous classes, we discussed about classification of statistical data. Today, in this class, we will discuss about tabulation. After suitable classification of data, their systematic presentation in the form of table is quite essential. is quite essential. Tables without tabulation, without tabulation, several facts remains several facts remain undetected. So it is necessary to have proper tabulation. It is quite essential without several facts remain undetected with the results clear and correct decision about the problem is not possible. Suitable conclusions about the data cannot be obtained. Either for one's own use or for the use of others, the data must be presented in some suitable form. Usually, the figures are arranged in tables or represented by graphic devices. Data can be presented in three forms: tables, diagrams, and graphs. Now, what is tabulation? Tabulation is the broadest sense in any ordinary arrangement of data in columns and row. Tabulation involves Tabulation involves the orderly and systematic presentation of numerical data in a form designed to elucidate the problem under consideration. Tables are a means of recording in permanent form the analysis that is made through classification and is placing in the position things that are similar and should be compared. It should be according to some proper way. There are certain objects of tabulation like systematic presentation. The primary objective of tabulation is to present the information expressed by the classified facts in a logical and systematic manner. It should be concise and static manner. The mass quantitative information is presented in condensed and static manner so that the detailed information is obtained in one sight. Classification of the problem. When data are presented in the form of a table, the problems become simple and clear. Facilitates comparison. Tabulation facilitates quick comparison of data shown in rows and columns by putting comparable information together. Tabulation is a vital activity between classification and interpretation of data. It is not possible to make comparative and analytical study of any problem without tabulation. This activity is very important because of the following advantages like simplification. Tabulation makes important information easily understandable and can be remembered. The data presented in the form of a table can be read easily from both sides, top to bottom, and left to right sides. In addition to this, calculations like adding, subtracting are also easy, and the errors, if any, can be easily detected. By tabulation, comparison becomes easy because the table is distributed among different parts and we put comparable data together in adjacent columns. In addition to this, analytical units like percentages, ratios, coefficients, etc. are also put in a table so as to make comparison easy and quickly understandable. Tabulation saves space and time because maximum facts are presented in minimum of space and conveys information in a far better manner. The data are put in proper shape and appropriate manner which facilitates detailed analysis and interpretation. Statistical measures like averages, dispersion, skewness, correlation, etc. can be calculated only by means of tabulation. Exhibition of statistical analysis can be made and exhibition of presentation. Presentation is done properly. With the help of tables, the data can be presented by means of diagrams and graphs attractively. Tables make classified data easy, concise, and systematically presented so as to enable a statistician to analyze and interpret them easily. But in the absence of reference, the meaning of data presented in table is not made fully clear. Secondly, independent entity of individual data is almost vanished. When data are presented in a table, now uh, we will discuss about another topic, that is difference between classification and uh, tabulation. In statistical survey, classification and tabulation both are vital processes by means of which gathered information is summarized and presented in systematic manner. But still, there are a few differences between the two. First, the sequence of both is different. First, data are classified, and after classification, they are presented in tables. Thus, classification is the basis for tabulation. Secondly, in classification, gathered data are classified in different classes or variables on the basis of similarity and dissimilarity of attributes. Whereas tabulation is the process of classified data in rows and columns. Thus, tabulation is a mechanical part of classification. Thirdly, classification is a method of statistical analysis, whereas tabulation is a method of presentation of data. In the process of classification, the data are classified in groups and subgroups. In tabulation, derivatives like percentage, ratio, etc. are used so that comparison becomes easy. Now we come to another topic, that is what are the main parts of a table. The main parts of a table are table title, captions and tabs, ruling and spacing, arrangement of items, footnotes, sources. Now, what is table title? Every table must have a proper title or heading in which the nature, related area, and the time, etc., are mentioned so that proper information is available at sight. Captions of vertical columns and tabs of horizontal rows are clearly expressed along with extra columns and rows for totals. Drawing of proper rule lines and suitable spacing make a table attractive and good looking. Proper structure of a table be drawn first and then data and figures written therein. Columns and rows of a table should be properly arranged in a logical order and thereafter different data are written therein by suitable method. The arrangement of items should be made on the basis of alphabet, time, importance, volume, custom, locality, or geographically. Proper footnotes are used only if there is need to call attention towards some figures or headings which may not be understandable without these notes. Sources. The source from which the data have been taken be mentioned either on left hand side or on right hand side of the baseline. So, in this class, we discussed about tabulation, the objects of tabulation, the advantages of tabulation, and also the difference between classification and tabulation, and also the main parts of table. I hope you all understood this class. Thank you for this class.